How to open Barclays bank account online. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to open your Barclays bank account online. So for that, just make sure you are on the official website of barclays.co.uk, and here on the home screen just scroll down. Now you will see all these options like current account, credit card, saving accounts. So here you have two options. Either you can go ahead and create a current account or a saving account. So if you're interested in creating a current account, just click on view current accounts, and now here you have two options. Either you can create a Barclays bank account with no monthly cost, or you can choose a premier current account. So just scroll down and select accordingly, and on this page you will see the option how to apply. So just click on it, and now as you can see that you have three options available in the current account itself. Like you can go ahead and create a solo account, a joint account, or if you already have an account, so you can save your time and log into your online banking directly. So for example, you want to create a solo account, so click on this link, apply online. So you should be fulfilling all these details, like you should reside in UK and you should be 18 years of age, or you have to also mention that whether you are a full-time student or not, and you also mention that you have an existing bank account or not. And after that, just click on continue, and here on this page you will see the terms and condition of the Barclays bank. So just click on the tick the box and accept the terms and condition with Barclays, and after that just click on continue. And here on this page you have to mention your personal details about yourself, like your name, your mobile number, your date of birth, and just click on continue. And once you fill in all the details, just click on continue, and on the next page you have to mention your ID details like your passport and your driving license. Once you are done filling the form, just click on submit, and your Barclays account details will be submitted with the bank, and the bank will review your information and get back to you, and your online banking account with Barclays will be open in 2 to 3 business days. So that's how you will be able to open a Barclays bank account online. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.